Hey foodies! Welcome back to our channel guys. So are you tired of eating your same old snacks for tea time? Are you tired of those same old boring onion pakoras? Then this snack is definitely for you guys. If you're new here, you're watching Get Set and Cook with Pratima and Chandana. So like you saw from the thumbnail and the title, today's video is stuffed mirchi bhaji. So to make this you'll need the following ingredients. This is a great tea time snack, so I hope you will definitely try this out guys. So here I've taken some mirchi bhajis and I've taken about 250 grams of besan or kadle hittu, about half a cup of roasted groundnuts, 1 cup of grated carrot. I've taken about 1 medium sized carrot here, 1 small onion, 2 tablespoons of coriander, some salt, red chili powder, about half a teaspoon of baking soda, half a lemon, and oil to deep fry. Let's get started. So I've roasted some of the groundnuts here, about a handful, and now I'm taking out their skins. Once I've taken out the skins, I'm going to crush them. So I'm using this method to crush the groundnuts. If you don't want to do this, or if you don't have this crusher, you can add them to the mixer and give them small spins, about 2 to 3. It should look something like this. Set that aside and take a bigger bowl, and to that add in about 250 grams of besan or kadle hittu. To this add some salt. I'm adding about 1 to 1.5 teaspoon of salt here. You can add in salt according to your taste requirement guys. I'm also adding about 1.5 teaspoon of red chili powder to this. Now I'm going to give all of this a good mix. Before that I'm also going to add in some soda. I've taken about half a teaspoon of soda here, baking soda. Mix all of this and then gradually add water to this and combine it well. The batter should be a little thicker so that it will not slip off your bhajis. I'm going to add in little bit more water. Give all of this a good mix and I'll show you the right consistency of the batter guys. Yes, this is the consistency of the batter that you want in. Yeah, look at that guys. Now once you keep the oil for deep fry, let it get hot, and then once the oil is hot you can add in the mirchis. Coat it with the batter nicely and then add them into the oil. Fry them nicely until they're brown in color. Don't burn them guys. Once they're brown in color you can take them out. I'm also going to fry in the second batch as well. So if you like this recipe, please hit that like button guys. And if you're new here and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. It would mean a lot to us. Like our videos, comment if you want us to make something that you want to learn. We'll definitely do it for you guys. And share our videos guys, share them with your loved ones. If someone's interested in making stuff like this, please let them know that we have actually put this recipe up. Please subscribe to our channel guys, it would mean a lot. Once the mirchi bhajis have cooled down, you can stuff them in. So to stuff them, let's make the stuffing now. I'm taking one bowl here, to which I'm going to add in 1 small onion. I've finely chopped the onion guys. I'm also going to add in 1 cup of grated carrot to this. I've taken a medium sized carrot that I've grated, and I'm also going to add in finely chopped coriander. I've taken about 2 tablespoons of it. To this I'm also going to add in 1 cup of crushed groundnuts that I've roasted previously and set aside. Add about half a teaspoon of red chili powder to this and salt according to your taste. Now I'm going to squeeze in about half a lemon into this. Lemon gives a nice punch, guys, so don't skip this step. You can also add in some black salt and some chaat masala if you like. Since I didn't have chaat masala, I didn't add it. But it will taste good to add it, guys. If you have it, add it in. Now if you're serving this recipe to kids, once you slit open the mirchis, you can take out the seeds so that they'll not be very spicy. Or if you're a spice lover like I am, you can leave it in. Slit them longitudinally like this and then stuff it and repeat the process until you stuff all the mirchis. This recipe is really good, guys. We all enjoyed it a lot. If you want to try some good evening snack, or for iftar if you want to try some snack, please try this. I'm sure you'll love it. Serve it with some hot tea or coffee and then I'm sure you'll thank me for this recipe. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching and we'll be back with more videos.